On the way home, we talked about how to stop a bunch of scary people and things, right?
Okay.
Okay, so how do we stop vampires?
Cut. For a stick in his heart.
Put a stick in his heart, that's right. And how do we stop werewolves?
Put a silver ball in a werewolf.
Okay, and how do we stop zombies?
Cut their head off.
Yeah. And how do we stop robots?
Poop on them. Mama, pooping on robots. Stop robots, right?
We stop them right there in their tracks. Are there any other kind of scary monsters that we should talk about?
Yeah.
What kind of monsters?
How do you stop sharks and alligators?
Oh, that's a good one. How do you stop a shark?
Cut their head off.
Yeah. And how do you stop a crocodile?
What do we stop a crocodile?
What do you think would be a good idea to stop a crocodile?
Crocodile's stuck in there.
Where?
On here.
In the camera? Okay, so if a crocodile's coming at you, what do?
I don't know.
You cut their heads off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ollie, can you say, cut their heads off?
Cut their head off.
Roar! Sorry.